Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, welcome if you're new. Welcome to Jazz Journey. My name is Jasmine, and today we're going to be doing two unboxings. It's going to be the battle of the boxes. They're both base box. I'm surprised I got them this early, but I think I should have taken more the word of the CEO. He did say that they're going to improve this month, and they're going to be improving on the shipping, on the tracking of the shipments more and more every month. So, but I normally get my premium box first, and then I got an email letting me know that my premium box is going to be delayed and they're working on it. So I was surprised how quick I got the base box, but sadly I don't even know when I'm going to be getting my premium box. But in the meantime, let's do an unboxing today. Actually, let's do two unboxing. I was worried. I was like one pound 1.1, and I was worried I was going to be getting the same thing. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a theme Boxy Sunshine, and this one's variation number 70, and this one retails for $150.95, while the other box is variation number 31, and it retails for $241. A big difference there. On both, I was able to pick my selection, my choice item. So of course I chose two different serums, and that's why it's the big range of the price. Talking about choice, it was supposed to be open today, but again, we got Boxycharm stories, and it's letting you know that they really want to improve the add-on store, and for that reason they needed a little bit more time. So what they're gonna do, they changed the date. Instead of us having early access to the add-on store today, Monday, and also selecting our product, now it was rescheduled for Wednesday. So if you was hoping to make your selection and you see that it's not working, that's the reason why. So let's go ahead and open the box. So the first one we're going to be opening up looks like this. Variation number 31. I did selected the 3 skin, and I wasn't sure if I was going to keep the other box, but this was my first choice. This is the choice. This is the item that I really wanted. This is interesting. I did not know about this. It says that this was developed by renowned Harley Street plastic surgeon Dr. Janice Alessandris, inspired by space science. 3 Skin is combined innovative ingredients with more than 20 years of surgical experience. So yeah guys, I'm excited to try this product. I have seen products in the past that I have tried, being very honest, and they were very expensive, and I did not see any changes on my skin at all, while other ones I am so impressed, and it's already finishing. So you get, it's good that you get products like this. You get to try it in the box and see how well it works for your skin. So as you know, this one retails for $135. Next, let's move on with I got the Hourglass. I was hoping I did get this product. This is the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. This one retails for $28. The Billion Dollar Brows. I already have 2 of those, and it's the one that I use every time I do my makeup. And so now this one is from Hourglass. I love their packaging. It's so consistent, and this one is really thin. Okay, there it is. This one is really thin. This is mostly for me to do at the beginning, because if not, it is going to waste. But besides that, it is a pretty packaging. Hope is good and it lasts a long time, because $28, that's a lot. But I'm glad I got it in my box. I get to try it. The third item I have is the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 Eyeshadow Palette. This one retails for $36. I did my whole eye makeup. I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial or demo how I did my eye makeup look. I have been playing with this palette. Once I saw that this was Festival and now we're getting Festival 2.0, I really wanted to go back and try it, and I keep grabbing it more and more. I really like their shimmers. I love the shimmers in this palette, and I don't know, sometimes I like how it smells. The only ones I don't like so much are these 2 here, but everything else I really love from this palette. I love you could play with all of these, and you could just create a really nice look and just have a pop of color if you like. Now if you look at 2.0, it's very similar. It's just some of the shades are a little bit different, maybe more modern. So this one is the Festival 2.0. Yes, I had to put this because mine came that the black shade is like almost coming off. So, and it's like everywhere, and you know how black colors are, that once you touch it, it dirties everything. So I really like this palette, but like I said, it's very similar to most of the shades here. I'm surprised, and I like that this one has a black shade, but I don't even know if I'm going to be able to use it. And the black is like a shimmer, so you get to see that there's also like a purple and a pink in here too, and the brown tones, but the shimmers are so much nicer and much pigmented. But I like the shimmers here too, so I like both of the palettes. I like that they both have a mirror. So, as you know, that came in my box, and that one retails for $36. Then I got the Douce Fierce and Fine graphic pen. This one retails for $21, and what this is a deeply pigmented and waterproof eyeliner. So let's go ahead and swatch it. I don't know what shade. So oh, look how thin that thing is. Oh, I love that. I love that. I am not good at making a nice wing eyeliner, so having a tip that is that long and thin, I think is going to be perfect. So I should test this one out more. This one retails for $21. And lastly, for this variation 31, yes, I got this. I did say this in one of my videos because I did get the mask in my premium box last week from this brand. Well, maybe last week, but it was last month. Grace and Stella. This is an eye mask, and it's an anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. I love that. And this one retails for $21. There's 12 pairs here. Love that too. I'm gonna try them on my husband too, because I think he needs help in that area. I don't know, he has that very puffy and dark eyes, and I've been trying to include some of the skincare, and I'm surprised that he's following the routine. I have two different routines, one in the morning and at night. I'm including different products that I like, that I've been trying out too, and I've been seeing some great results. So we're both doing the same routine, and I'm seeing how his skin, especially his pores, are looking so much better, but the baggy area is a struggle. So I want to see how, if these really work on him. Look how cute. Look how cute they are, and I'm surprised it brings that many. How much this box is? This box is $21. Not bad at all. So hopefully they do work. So guys, this is the first box, and that one was the most expensive, the $241. So now let's move on to the second box. And the second box, I did make my selection as well. This one does feel heavier. That's what I was confused. I was like, are you sure the 1.1? Because one feels a lot heavier. And this is how the box looks like. C is the other product that I did selected. And I'm trying to vitamin C, guys. It's really expensive. It's medical grade type of skincare. So I'm more like trying that out. And I'm kind of new to that, so I'm trying to see how it is on my skin. But vitamin C could be very expensive. I have tried many vitamin C. A lot of them don't work. I don't see much of improvement. I did try one from Korea, and I did like that one, but I really wanted to try something new. So this is really heavy. This is from Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. The one I got is like $70, so I'm gonna see if I do this, I don't know, maybe in the morning. I love that this has watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. So I'm excited for this. I'm also gonna have my husband try it out too. I love the packaging. Look at the colors. I think this is really, really cute. And that one retails for $49.95. Then we can move on to, I also got the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. Retails for $28. Oh my gosh, I got two different shades. I got dark brunette and I got warm brunette. So that's interesting. That happened to me when I got the BB cream. I got one that was light and the other one that was medium. So I just make it work. Okay, so then I also got the Pure Cosmetic palette. Well, I'm not gonna open it. As you see, I just finished a giveaway. I gave 2 boxes away full of items that I did not use or open at all. So I'm not gonna open this one. Hopefully this one is good and not messed up. I don't want to open it. So this one I'm gonna start putting some items away to do that same type of giveaway. Let's see, once I have a box, then I could go ahead and do another giveaway. Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Blush Brush Cleaner, and this one retails for $22. I don't have any of these at all, and I really like to clean my brushes. It's funny because I like to use the antibacterial oil soaps that I get from Bath and Body Works, and every time I use a brush they smell so good. This one, it's, you know, it's okay, and this one retails for $20. I don't know what makes it unique or different. I really don't know. Last, I got Hank & Henry Lip Love Luxe Lipstick. This one retails for $17. This is a luxurious lipstick. It's decorated in a beautiful shimmering coating that dissolves as it applies to your lips, and it's encapsulated in a stunning ruby container. This formula is smooth and leaves a creamy satin finish or moisturizing cream finish. Interesting. Look at this. I was surprised I got this. I never get anything from Hank & Henry. Look at the packaging. I did see the packaging, but once you see it, it's like, feels like candy. And then you look at this logo. Oh, you can see it there. You click it, and then the lipstick, it's there. It's kind of small though. It is small, but look at those sparkle, and swatch that. So guys, I finished my unboxing. I can't wait to see what I'm getting from the premium box. But so far, what do I think? I do like the boxes. I feel like this month I like more what I got, even though I did get some duplicates. And to be honest, this I don't think is worth $20. I don't know, it might wow me once I use it. Maybe it might make it even quicker for instead of me washing my brushes and waiting for them to dry. Let's see. But in the meantime, that I could do without. But everything else I really like is stuff that I know I will use. I really like the palette. I'm glad that I got the palette, and I'm excited for the serums. We just have to see how they work on my skin. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're having a wonderful week. Don't forget to make your selection on Wednesday. Don't miss out on that, because there's so many great products to choose from. I still don't know. I have to kind of like, I feel like it was good that I needed extra time to figure it out to see which one I'm going to choose. But don't miss out on that, guys. Thank you guys again for your support and for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.